Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to bring you to a day in the life with me. There's a long time that I don't do this. I think this is a good opportunity. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma and here I like to talk anything that has to do with homeschool, sprinkle a little bit of motherhood and lifestyle. As you can see today we are doing a day in the life. We start always with Bible. We had a later start this day. We start around 8:30 to 8:35. I was not feeling that well to go to work. So I decided to start with our subjects a little bit later, especially because we were going to be at home. We were not going to be doing car schooling, which is usually what we do. And I was just taking the advantage of that and just, if you can see, I am just giving my kid the book for Bible. I already read some of what we have to read from the book, and I was just handling his book so he can follow at the same time while I read the Bible. In here you are seeing me just handling his book. I usually read first from the book and then I handle back the book to him. The more than words, that's what we do for Bible. And I just continue reading from our Bible. If you notice, you're going to notice through the video that we are going to be changing places. At some point he will be at the desk and I will just be preparing everything that he will be doing next after Bible. Usually that's how it goes. We change places. We don't stay in one place. We will move to the living room, to the room, to the patio, whichever we feel at the moment to be at, as long as we can complete the material that we have to complete. I don't have a problem. He likes to do that and it takes us away out of the routine and the monotony of doing everything in one place. He enjoys doing that. He doesn't have a problem. And sometimes I like to move as well to the living room because the table is a little bit bigger and it just gives us more of a chance to accommodate everything better. I have as well the dry erase board there. Even though we have a chalkboard here in the bedroom, I just like to be moving around and that's how we like it and that's how it goes usually during the day, especially when I am not at work and I am not doing car schooling. This is usually what you're going to be looking at for us when we are doing homeschool at home. While he finishes with his Bible, you can see me already gathering the material for math. I am looking through what we are going to be doing that day. I like to always do that, is just have me prepare a little bit better before we start that lesson. Then I will be handling him the book and he will start by doing, usually the Simply Good and the Beautiful has a little bit of an introduction, something for us to do that will review the previous lesson, and that's how we usually do it. We do go through that introduction. As well, this day he had to do a few games and activities, so he was very happy and I was very happy as well. It was a very fun activity, a very fun game, and that is something that we enjoy as well about this Simply Good and Beautiful math, is the fact that it has games just to solidify what they are learning, as well is fun for them and they don't notice that they are working because they are having fun. He finished completely this lesson. We were very happy about it and I enjoy as well being able to have that game with him. I think it's very cute and good at the same time that they include the parent or teacher just to have that game. There's games that includes both of you guys. It include the mom or the teacher with the kid doing the games. I think that was a very good thing about the Good and the Beautiful because it creates those memories as well as just bonding time. As you can see, you're about to see us playing already. Is so fun. After he finished playing, we are going to separate a little bit. He will be doing his independent material. He has adding and some other stuff that he needs with that lesson, and he will be doing that on his own. After that, he will be doing teaching textbooks, and usually that's how it goes. Sometimes we switch and we do teaching textbooks first and then we do Simply Good and Beautiful. And sometimes we just do Simply Good and Beautiful first and then teaching textbooks. It just depends in the mood in which we are at the moment. But usually that's how it goes. We do Simply Good and the Beautiful first and then teaching textbooks. And that's how we like to do it. We do both every day and it's very easy for us. Both of them don't take long time. Right now we are doing geography and I am just pointing to those countries that we are studying. And I will show you now our chalkboard where I have our subjects that we're doing for Monday. We have Bible, geography, reading, grammar, Spanish, and art as well, writing. If you notice that L is lunch, and that's when we take our break. Here he is working on his geography activity and that's how it's going to be until he will finish that activity completely and then we will move on with the rest of the subjects. Okay, so we were on lesson 15 and we were previewing syllable division rule for vowel suffixes. We're doing words with vowel suffixes, remember that? Okay, so we're going to start. The last time we were practicing some words, which it was loud, louder, loudest, helping, sorry. And we did the suffixes ed, est, ing, y, correct? So now we're going to do the activity sheet. Let's just look for that. But first, let me see if I have it in here. Oh, so we're gonna get in here. Before we start, let's start reviewing the words. Okay, what is this word?
Squeeze.
Why is it a lead word?
Squeeze is a lip word because squeeze is a lip word because I forgot.
Because the E, the sound of the E is not the one that we have on our chart, on this silent E job chart, okay? Next one.
For.
Why for is a lead word?
Because the O you work together to say O.
Okay. Okay, so we have one in review and one that you did correct, okay?
Yes.
We're going for the phonograms and we have the phonogram here. Tell me the letters.
E-D, ed, the, t.
Okay, correct. What will be the first word?
D,
for ed,
for E-D,
for ed,
ed, wanted.
for d, for the d sound.
For the D sound, snowed.
Okay, and for the t sound.
Chopped.
Or dropped. Okay. Next one is this phonogram. Which one is this one?
O-U.
Which one? Look again.
A-U.
Okay.
A-U that we may not use at the end of
What is a sound?
That we may not use at the end of English words.
Correct. For which word?
For paw, like Moses' paw.
No. It'll be for hall. Hall. Okay.
I knew it.
So I will continue for review. Okay, so we are going to continue with our activity. Let's just go here. Here. want to know about that certain thing. You're wondering, you want to know what is that about. Okay? Sociable. What does sociable mean?
I know.
What?
Social means
Right now he's doing his writing. We are doing IW, people and places in our community. He is finishing with his lesson 18. He's just writing. Here we have his people and places in our community. This is what he is been doing. As well, in here we have cursive because we finished with his cursive already. Right now I have lesson 19 there written on our dry erase board because after he finished with his writing with the lesson 18, he will continue with lesson 19, and I just like to do a little bit of an intro before we start completely doing the lesson. So we will do the intro today, and then we will continue tomorrow. So the background will be today for that lesson, and we will continue tomorrow. This is what he has been doing with his writing. There you can see my teacher guide writing here, and in that binder is where I have everything that has to do with people and places in our community. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm going to leave it here because this video is taking really long. We just have to do Spanish and art, and I think I will post those pictures in my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you then. Bye bye.